Good morning children. Myself Poonam Singh is here with one more session of Quiz Club for all my Quiz Club students. Quiz Club is a platform which provides opportunity to all of you to share and gain information related with various fields such as science and technology, national and international events, sports, computer, mental ability and logical reasoning questions. Mental ability and logical reasoning is one of the prime topic of most of the quiz competitions. These types of questions test the level at which we learn things, understand the instruction and solve the problems. So today we will solve questions based on mental ability and logical reasoning. So first of all we will solve the first question, that is the mission is written in certain code like M, S, I, S, N, O, S. So how we will write online in that code? So while solving the questions related with coding and decoding, the most important thing which we are supposed to take care, that we should notice the positioning of different letters or word. Here we see that M and S, their position remain unchanged in the code. M is at first position and S is at last, while rest of the letters they interchange their positions in pairs. So IS will become SI here, SI will become IS here, OM will become N over here. So in the same way we will write the code for online, and O will remain at its own position, that is your first position, and E will remain at its own position, that is at last. O and E, their position remains unchanged, while rest of the letters we are making the pair and interchanging their positions. So NL will become here LN and IN will become NI. So the code for the word online is OLNNIE. So children, we have to just focus on the positioning of different letters while solving the questions related with coding and decoding. The next question we are having, in a certain code, 786 means study very hard. 958 means hard work pays. 645 means study and work. Which of the following is the code for vary? We have to find out the code for vary. So first of all, we will just see the first and the second statement. Children, you just observe that hard and hard. Both the statements, first and second, we observe that hard is the common word and 8 is the common code digit for the word hard. So we will write the code digit for hard, that is your 8. Now we will proceed to the first and last statement. See children, in first statement and last statement you see that study is the common word and 6 is the common code digit. So for study we are having the common code, we are having the code digit, that is your 6. So we will just again come back to the first statement, that is study very hard. So the code digit for study is 6 and for hard we are having 8. So here 8 and 6. Now we are having left 7. So the code digit for vary is 7. So we have find out the answer for the code of vary, that is your 7. Now we will solve the third question, and the third question is find the number of triangles given in the figure given below. All of you see, this is a triangle because it is having 3 corners and 3 vertices. Okay, so we have to just find out the number of triangles in the given figure. So the first triangle is ABC. Second triangle is your ABD. Third triangle we are having ADC. Fourth triangle we are having ABE. Fifth triangle we are having AED. Sixth triangle we are having ABG. Seventh triangle we are having AGC. Eighth triangle we are having AEG. Ninth triangle we are having ABG. And 10th triangle we are having AEC. So children, there are 10 triangles in the figure given here. One more trick is there to solve this problem. First, we will just do the numbering. Like ABE is the first triangle, AED is the second triangle, ADG is the third triangle, and AGC is the fourth triangle. Now, we will do the sum total of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and the sum total of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. So, we get 10. So, we are having 10 triangles in the given figure. Now, next question we are having. Find the missing number. There is a square and there are small boxes made in it, and we have to find the missing number over here. We have seen that in the first row we are having bigger digits, and in the last row we are having digits which are smaller than the first row. So we have seen that when we are subtracting 56 from 44, then we are getting the difference 12. In the same way, when we are just subtracting 78 minus 48, then we are getting the difference 30. So, in the same way, when we will just do the subtraction of 65, subtract 65, 40 from 65, we will get the result, that is your 51. So, the missing number over here is 51. So, this is the trick, this is the text or trick we can say, that through which we can solve the questions very fast. Now, next question we are having, find the missing numbers in the given sequence. So, you just see children that just after two digits, 2 and 3, we are having 6. So, we see that 6 is the product of 2 and 3. In the same way, we see here 20. 20 is the product of 4 into 5. In the same way, we are having one missing number over here, and 18 is given here. So we have to find out what which number is the product of 18. So 3 into 6 we are getting 18. So 6 is the missing number over here. I hope you will solve this type of mental ability and logical reasoning questions whenever you are getting free time. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.